Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an NMZ plugin by Lulu's Church that allows adding an image as a cursor in a text box. This plugin also animates that cursor and allows us to select its position inside the text box. An NMZ plugin by Muggles that adds a keyboard configuration option in the menu and allows us to assign and flip switches with keyboard inputs. Next, we have a tool made in RPG Maker XP by Weekhook that is designed to help edit and create resources for RPG Maker games. An RPG Maker tutorial by RPG Maker Tutorials on creating a diagonal movement system with one event. And lastly, an article tutorial by Every on creating front and sideways stair tiles. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.